about your backpack that you got?
I kind of want to put it in my lap. You could be like a lover jumping with it. You could be like this.
Can you
This
see?
is what lover does.
But can you see?
No,
That's not very smart for them to put stuff over their heads then, huh?
I don't see it that way.
Yeah, your frog is still on the floor.
But you have fun playing lover with this.
Well, fun playing Robert. Looks like fun breaking your teeth out too.
I can't break your tooth out.
Oh, you run into something you good. You're scaring me right now.
And you could show me what was. Ah!
Do you want to show us anything else?
Okay. I just wanted to bring. I want to bring a bunch. Just a.
Oh, a bunch. Okay.
Use a box.
Put it on his hat. Thank you, Luke.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. This is the third I'm going to use to paint.
Good. We're not painting today, but yeah, I'm glad you have